Good morning, children. Sai Ram. How are you all doing? Hope you all are doing good. Today we are here for the subject value education. Now, after the two sessions, you already know what is this subject, right? I hope you are learning the shlokas which was taught to you in our previous session, in our first session, right? You have to learn the two shlokas very well, okay, children? And today I am going to come with one more story told to you by Dadaji Gyani. Okay, but before starting the story, I am going to ask you two questions. The first question is, do you know what is freedom? What do you mean by freedom? What is freedom? Okay, I'll tell you. Don't worry. Freedom is the power or a right to act, to speak, or to think and do as one wants. Okay? People can express their opinions or views easily without any hesitation. That is a freedom. Okay? Understood what is freedom? Yes, okay. Now, have you ever heard? My second question is, have you ever heard the word freedom fighter? You know what is freedom fighter, children? Yes, during the fancy dress competition, sometimes teacher tell you to dress up like a freedom fighter, and you come with the dress up of Bhagat Singh. Yes, and you come with the dress up of who else? Gandhiji. Or there are so many freedom fighters like Subhash Chandra Bose. Yes, so there are so in a female also freedom fighter there is Jhansi Ki Rani, Lakshmi Bai is there. Yes, so you know what is freedom fighter. Yes, they are the one who had fought for our country to get freedom. Right? They are called freedom fighter. So today I am going to tell you a story about a freedom fighter. Lesson 3, Baga Jatin. Baga Jatin was a freedom fighter. He fought for the freedom of India. Our country, India, should get freedom. So he fought for it. But you know what happened one day? Once when Jatin was a young boy, he was a small boy, okay? He was chased by a ferocious dogs. Oh my god, chased means they were running behind, okay? And ferocious, was the meaning of ferocious dog? They're very violent, okay? They were very, what can I say? They were very violent, extreme, okay? So once when Jatin was a young boy, he was chased by a ferocious dogs. The dogs were behind him and they were barking a lot. The boy ran as fast as he could. Who is this boy? Who ran fast? Baga Jatin. Very good. But the boys did not stop. The dogs did not stop, you know. They were continuously running behind Baga Jatin. They were not stopping. They continued chasing. His mother saw her son being thus chased. Who saw from the window? Whose mother? Baga Jatin's mother, right? She was seeing that her son was being chased by the dogs. The violent dogs were behind her son Baga Jatin and just barking. Okay. So what did she say from the window? She said, Jatin, don't run. Stop. Turn back and look at the dogs without fear. Okay, what did she say? Jatin, don't run. Stop there. Turn back and look at the dogs without fear. Jatin turned back and stared at the dogs like a tiger. Like a tiger. Suddenly, okay, first tell me why he stared like a tiger. Because tiger is very brave, he is strong, he is not afraid of any other animal. So he stared at the dogs like a tiger, that even I am strong and brave, I am not going to get scared. Okay. Suddenly the dogs turned and fled away. Oh wow, as soon as he was showing and staring like a tiger to the dogs, what happened? The dogs got scared and they went away. So, children, what did you learn? Fear can be defeated only by facing it courageously. Okay? If you're scared of something, if you're if you don't want to do that thing because you are scared, that is not the solution, children. That is not right. You have to face the situation. For example, for some particular subject, in some particular subject, okay, I don't know how to do it, so I don't like doing it. Is it right? I will not do it. I don't like it because my answers are getting wrong. No. What will we do? We will try it again and again. One time, two time, three times it will be wrong. But after three times, you will surely get a right answer. If you try, you will get. If you face that problem, you will get the solution. You will get the answer. But if you run away, just I don't want to do it, how will you learn? How will you get an answer? This is not right solution. Right, children? Yes. So what are we going to do is we are going to face it courageously, boldly, okay? What is the moral of the story? The moral of the story is don't fear, be courageous. You should not be scared. You should be strong enough. You should be bold enough to face the situation. Okay? I hope you like the story. So now I am going to ask you a question and you are going to repeat the answer after me. First question is, who was Bhaga Jatin? Come on, who will tell me? Answer is already given. You have to read out. Bhaga Jatin was a freedom fighter. Repeat after me. Who was Bhaga Jatin? Bhaga Jatin was a freedom fighter. Next question is, what happened when he was a young boy? What happened to him? When he was a young boy, he was chased by a ferocious dog. Repeat after me. When he was a young boy, he was chased by a ferocious dog. Next question is, when did the dogs turn and flee? When did they go? Who will tell me? When Bhaga Jatin turned back and stared at the dogs like a tiger, the dogs turned and flee away. Oh, repeat after me. When Bhaga Jatin turned back and stared at the dogs like a tiger, the dogs turned and fled away. Now children, we are going to do one small activity. Okay? In the box are small words that have been left out of the larger value words below. Add the small words in the correct spaces. There are three options given, three half words, okay? And down there are filling the blanks. What you have to do is you are going to fill those words in the given blank, okay? So the first one is the value that tells how we should meet danger without fear is, just now we learn how we have to face the situation courageously, right? So we are going to write here COURPASSON or AGE. If I am adding AGE here, AGE, answer is courage. So the value that tells how we should meet danger without fear is courage. Okay, children? Understood? Next, being able to account for your actions is RESP dash dash SIBILET. So what will come? PASS will come or ON will come? This is already done. This is already done. So what will come here? ON. So what this word is now? Being able to account for your actions is responsibility. Okay. You should take the account of your actions. You should be taking responsibility of what you are doing. Okay, children. Our last blank is a feeling of sorrow or pity for another facing difficulties is when you want to show sympathy, when you are pity on somebody. What is that called? That is called COMPASSION. That is compassion. Okay, children. So these are the three values what we have learned today: courage, responsibility, and compassion. Right? I hope you like the story and you are going to be like a Bhaga Jatin. You are going to face the situation. Right, children? And be courageous. Good. So, thank you. We will soon meet in our next session. Sai Ram, children.